We have done, I think, 200 plus project as a
Okay.
team.
Any podcasts as well, or mainly
Yes,
YouTube?
yes, of course. Podcast, real estate, cooking, blogging, etc., etc. Because 200 project, it's huge amount, and we cover all the niches.
Of course. Okay.
So, should I explain our packages, etc.?
Yeah, yeah, go on. Yes.
Okay. Right now we have two type of packages available for YouTube. First one is we have to optimize your 10 videos, complete SEO optimization, including organic promotion for your 10 videos in 7 days. And our 10 videos and basic package cost is 120 US dollar. Hello, sir. How are you?
I'm well, thanks. I'm well. How are you? Appreciate you reaching out, or Mufuz at least reaching out as well. So lovely to meet you both.
It is 1 p.m. and what is your time?
Yeah, it's 7 a.m. currently, so it's early morning, but used to these sorts of times, so it's nice waking up early. I'm in London, yeah, yeah.
Okay, great. Okay, sir, thank you
Nice.
so much for joining with us. At first, I love to shortly introduce about ourselves, and then we're gonna talk about our project. Myself,
Okay.
Rifat, and in here another person. His name is Mahfuz Sardar, and actually Mahfuz Sardar, he's reach out to you, and he will work with you. And I am his team member and agency owner also. So this purpose, today's meeting topic is about your YouTube channel. You know, you have a great YouTube channel, and you want to get more views, get more traffic in your channel. Am I right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yes, and we have a big digital marketing agency in Bangladesh, and we are providing all type of services, including YouTube SEO. And for your YouTube channel, we have three type of services available. First one is SEO. That's mean search engine optimization. And in this session, at first we have to research your whole YouTube channel about your niche, about your goal and target, and about your targeted audience and location, etc. And then we have to research your niche related targeted keyword. For example,
Mm,
which type of keyword your targeted audience using most of the time. We have to find
yeah.
out this type of keyword. And for that we have many type of YouTube certified SEO tools like vidIQ, Tube, Buddy, Rapid Tag, Google keyword planner, etc., etc. And you know we are YouTube expert. After that, we have to find out your niche related targeted high volume keyword and also low competitive keyword. And then we have to put this type of keyword on your videos backend section, like your videos title section, your videos description section, and also on the your videos text section. And when we successfully optimize your videos backend section, then when your audience search on YouTube according to your niche and topic, then your videos will show YouTube and Google on the top search result. And I just watch one of your videos, and which one is very much qualityful. And also your content, your camera quality, your podcast quality is such a much qualityful. But I think I will recommend you can use a hook on your videos. Fast session, you can use a hook. On the other hand, you can use the turning clip on your
Mm,
videos, little small clips that your audience can understand your content. Okay, then you can get more engagement in this way. So this is the hooking part actually. But also our main job is we have to optimize the best keyword on your videos backend section that you get the good visibility. Okay, so also we have another two method that's called second one is organic promotion, and in this session we can just copy your videos link and share on the social media. You know, social media site use millions of people, so we can share your videos to them, and in this way you will get a lot of views from social media. And also we have another option that's called Google Ads, that's been paid campaign. And in this session, if you have money, then you can choose the paid campaign, but for fast we will recommend you can choose the organic process because it's very powerful, because your content is very much good. I'm just watching your content, just let me. You have uploaded 335 videos, and your subscriber is right now 165, but you deserve more better result because your content, and I'm such a fan of your content. So right now, can I share my screen to show you our agency previous work and their result? So right now, if you have any question, if you want to know any more other information, then you can feel free to ask me. I will try to answer you.
how long have you have you guys been going for as a company?
For 5 years, more or less.
More or less. Okay. And what sort of niches do you typically work in? What sort of clients are you? Obviously YouTubers, but like what sort of content are they typically doing?
We have done actually a lots of project because we are working as a agency, as a team. So we have done a lots of work, and you can check it out by your own after finish our meeting. When my colleague he will send you our this link, then you can check it out. We have done, I think, 200 plus project as a
Okay.
team.
Any podcasts as well, or mainly all
Yes,
YouTube?
yes, of course. Podcast, real estate, cooking, blogging, etc., etc. Because 200 project, it's huge amount, and we cover all the niches.
Of course. Okay. And what's the typical length of time someone would be working with your company for? Like half a year, a month? How long for typically? Or is it like a one-off project usually?
It's a base of our project and base of our client and their wish. Actually, our main job is client satisfaction, because if you grow, we will grow. And if you satisfied with our work and if you start to get the result, then you will carry the result for long time, as like 1 year, 2 year, there is no problem. If you start to get the result, I have been working on a project from my start career. Still
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
working on this project.
Okay, okay, that makes sense. Thank you. Well, yeah, I'd be keen to know more about the specifics of what you guys can provide, if you can let me know.
More, which type of service you need more?
Just more of like the specifics of whether it's the SEO, the keywords, the descriptions. I'd be keen to know a bit more about that.
Yes, we can manage your whole YouTube channel. For example, you can proper SEO and optimize your channel. We can research your competitor, and also we can create your videos thumbnail. That's mean full YouTube channel. And also, we can write your channel description and backend optimization, etc., etc. We can manage your whole YouTube channel. And also, if you have Facebook or Instagram or any other social media, then we can manage both. But my recommendation is you can choose, first of all, our small package. Then after that, I think you can judge us, and you can see the result. And after one period, if you see yes, it's working and you are satisfied with our work, then you can recommend to manage your whole social media or etc. I think it's
Okay.
good for you, for your point of view.
Yeah, for sure. Okay. Well, yeah. Keen to hear more about what you guys can do for the YouTube, if that's something that you'd send over maybe afterwards.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, should I explain our packages, etc.?
Yeah. Yeah. Go on. Yes.
Okay. Right now we have two type of packages available for YouTube. First one is we will optimize. We have to optimize your 10 videos, complete SEO optimization, including organic promotion for your 10 videos in 7 days. And our 10 videos and basic package cost is $120. You 10 videos, complete SEO, complete optimization, including organic promotion work, $120 for 7 days. And also we have another package that's called monthly package and premium package. And in this session, we will optimize your 30 videos, complete SEO, complete optimization, including organic promotion work. And our 30 videos cost is $300 only. Okay. And also including your whole channel backend optimization. Like your channel has a description, we will optimize your channel description. And your channel has a keyword section, right?
Yeah.
So we
Yeah.
will
Yeah.
optimize your channel backend section, channel keyword section in premium package, 30 videos. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Do you have anything that you can send me after this in like content or writing that I can look over whilst I think of it?
Yes, yes, yes. After finish our meeting, my colleague he will send you our packages etc. via Google Sheet. Then you can check it out and
Okay.
what we will do for you. And when our project start, then he will report you. That's mean the result before work and after work compare. Then you can compare what we have done and
Yeah.
what was the result before work.
Okay. Okay. Amazing. Thank you. Well, I'll look forward to seeing that, and then we can talk a bit more later on. Okay.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much for joining with us. Thank you for your time.
Thank you, guys. I appreciate
Thank
it.
you. Bye bye.
Bye bye,
Bye.
Chan.